In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up vacation and out of office notifications in Google Calendar, ensuring that your colleagues and contacts are aware of your availability during vacation periods is vital for maintaining smooth communication. Let's dive right into the process. First, let's explore how to block out of office time using Google Calendar. Open your Google Calendar and begin by clicking on the plus create button. Once you've done that, you need to create an event that will cover the days you're away. You'll want to name this event something clear, such as vacation or out of office, so it's immediately noticeable to anyone looking at your calendar. You have the option to make this an all-day event or a multi-day event depending on the length of your absence. Once you have set the necessary details for the event, look for the Show Me As option. Here, you should choose Busy. This status ensures that anyone trying to schedule a meeting or event during this period sees that you are unavailable. Be sure to save your changes to finalize the setup. By marking these dates as busy, others will automatically see that you're not available, helping them plan accordingly. Now, beyond just the calendar, it's equally important to manage expectations regarding email communication while you're away. This is where the Gmail Vacation Responder comes into play. To set this up, open your Gmail account and navigate to the settings by clicking on the gear icon. From there, select See All Settings and switch to the General tab. As you scroll down through the options, you'll find the Vacation Responder section. Activate it by switching it on, and then you'll need to set your start and end dates for your absence. This is crucial because it defines the period during which the automatic replies are sent. After setting the dates, take some time to craft a custom message. This message will be sent as an automatic reply to anyone who emails you during your vacation. It's a good idea to include alternate contact information or a note on when you'll be back to manage their expectations. Once you're satisfied with your message, remember to save your settings. By setting up both Google Calendar and Gmail appropriately, you ensure that whether someone is trying to meet or email you, they receive clear notifications of your absence. This not only helps manage your workflow, but also maintains professional courtesy with your colleagues and clients. Hopefully, this guide makes your next vacation even more stress-free by preventing scheduling surprises. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tips for optimizing your digital workspace.